Chinese company X-Robot seems like they're building the next generation of robotics and potentially your next robot girlfriend and or a wife. They already rolled out and you can see them in like restaurants, hotels, and homes and talk to them to complete tasks for you. As you see in this little snippet right here, you see them chopping up meat they're about to start cooking. Not only that, it's this video right here where you see this person is in a hotel and this X-Robot walks up to this person and it's doing decently well. You definitely know it's a robot, but they have a humanoid face. It's definitely like a latex face to make it more humanoid. And this person reached up and tickled this robot and the robot started laughing. That's kind of weird in a curious way. Not only that, they had them almost dress up like they were about to go out on a date. And you see this robot is different from the one in the previous clip where this robot is actually all latex, where it's not like any wires or anything. It's almost looks like a toy doll for adult work or adult fun. It almost looks like that, but it's robotic now. They also have this X-Robot right next to this Unitree robot where you see it's walking and just doing different activities, where Unitree isn't bad. I just dropped a video about it doing karate, but this robot's like turning torsos, talking to you and everything, which you don't really see that in a lot of robots. They're more so task specific. They also have one that's really realistic, almost like they're cosplaying as different characters. They even have like eyes blinking and everything. But it doesn't stop there. They also have robots. They're almost like living wives, where they're like picking up bowls and dropping the dish off to people, where they have a bowl full of soup and they're able to drop off the soup in this clip here. Not only that, but they also have them dancing like in unison, where they have like background dancers and everything, and it actually isn't too bad. We've seen Boston Robotics robots dance and Unitree robots dance, but this is a lot more human. This is really like how you see the anime girls in those shows, how they dance in opening scenes or whatever. And they also have one sitting down, but it's still talking and able to move and everything. They have one that looks like it's like a Tesla robot or something, have clothes on, like it's about to go to work, and you can see where the head is apart from its head off the body, so you see how it's created. But these is just the future. This is actually pretty scary, because I think there's also a breakdown in communication between men and women in many different countries, and the fact that they will be bringing out robots that pretty much just obey whatever you say can really be an issue when you have a lot of people already on the internet turning to the internet for more type of interaction and intimacy. This could be a big issue in the future. But tell me down below, would you buy you a girlfriend robot, or do you think this is kind of creepy? Because it doesn't seem like any of these examples have male robots, so you definitely can tell the potential demographic for this. If you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. Your boy Dexter out.